Hey guys, my name is Cody and today we're going to be going through Australian Geographic's Eco Workshop, the pitching machine. So first of all, let's open up the box, have a look at what's inside. So first of all, we have the tools and accessories box, which has all of the balls that will be included, a battery pack, the motor, and the wheels that we will use. Then we have the instructions here, which includes the wooden materials, head and the assembly, and also what is included. Awesome. And now we've also got some fun facts and warnings on the back. Inside here, we've got the wooden pieces here. So let's get right into it, and I'll be getting these open. Alright guys, so I just took the wooden pieces out of their spot, and now what we're going to need to do is use this piece here, get the motor, put it here, and then also put this on top and clip it like that. And now what we're going to want to do is screw them in. So we'll be using the short screws here. It won't focus, but we'll be using the shorter screws here to screw it in. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. Alright guys, so basically what I've done is I've just put the screws in this top piece here first, so then I can place it on top, and now I'm just going to screw them in. Alright, next guys, I just finished this here. So now it's all screwed in. Now for the next part, what we're going to want to do is start hinging up some pieces. So first of all, what we're going to need is this piece here and another one of these. And what we're going to want to do is put them inside. So like this. So this one should be facing up. This one should be facing the bottom. I'm just going to zoom in here so you can see better. Just like this. So up, down, just like that. All right. So now what we're going to want to do is screw those in. Okay guys, I just finished it, thank goodness. So now what we're going to want to do is stand this up like this, and we're going to want to place these in. Alright, awesome. So I've just got this. Now I'm going to put this one in as well. I don't believe it matters which one goes in where. Now what we're going to want to do is use the long screws and screw them in these L pieces at the back. That way we can keep them firmly in place. Okay, we just got those two in. Awesome. So now that piece is finished. Now what we're going to want to do is grab this little piece here and put it right about here. And that should help slide this piece in, just like this. Awesome. Now it's coming. It's really turning into something now. So what we're going to want to do is now also screw it from the bottom, the base plate. So now everything is going to be firmly placed and intact. So I'm just going to do that now. Awesome. So I've just done that now. So now what we're going to want to do is set up this battery pack down here on the base plate. Alright guys, so first I've just missed this wooden piece here, so what I'm going to want to do is place it in here, maybe the other side. Awesome, so it looks like I can fit one of the sides in, and then put it in the other. So it should just look like this. And now what we're gonna wanna do is, I've just built this piece here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna place it on this further one here. Oh, or the closer one, just like that. Perfect, so that should look just like that. What we're gonna wanna do is put this other wheel here on this top one, and basically make them parallel with each other, if you can. Doesn't seem like we can, so what we can do now is grab this orange piece and move it up, and that will adjust the height so we can get it parallel. That looks about right. Awesome. And then we're gonna just put another one on the bottom here. So that should just be like that. I'm gonna loosen it up a little bit just so it keeps a lot less friction. Awesome. And that should be good. Cool. So now what we're going to do is start with the wiring. So I'm just going to put this on the side here like this. I'm going to grab these and I'm just going to twist them. The red one is going to be on this side here, by the way, guys. The black on this side over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start twisting this and pulling it out at the same time, so it doesn't fray when I open it up. Awesome, that looks pretty good. Now we're just gonna do the other one. Awesome, so that looks pretty good to me. Put that to the side. And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna push it through those holes. And then I'm just gonna twist the whole object while holding these two to twist up that connection there. So it's nice and tightly put on there. Awesome, just push it to the back. And now I'm just going to do the same thing for the other side for the black. That should be good. Then you're going to want these placed here, this placed here. There will be holes for you guys for this part, so you can put them in there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some feet here and put these padded feet on the bottom. That way you can put it on any surface area without damaging it. This will stop these screws from scratching anything. Awesome, so I've just done that. That looks pretty good. Now all we need to do now is get these balls, put them here. All right, so now what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna just get the batteries and we're just gonna plug them in and see how this thing works. All right guys, so I've just missed an important piece of information. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this small bar and put one of these orange pieces here, and I'm just going to put it in this hole here. That way it should stop any of the balls from falling out. Awesome. And now I've got the batteries in, so I'm going to use a side view and we're going to see how this thing works. Let's get into it. All right guys, so I just turned it on, so let's see how it works. All right guys, so we're going to do it from a different view now. So what we're going to do is show the rest of the table. See how far this thing can go. Alright guys, so that was the pitching machine from Australian Geographic's Eco Workshop. It was pretty fun to use, and I would really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed and leave us a comment on what you thought about the content. So let us know if you have any more problems with this product, and thank you very much for watching. Cheers and have a great day.